Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 24, 2025 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong November 24, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas ang para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, November 24, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 24, 2025, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, November 24, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of November 24, 2025, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.